everybody, we're gonna do a quick little video on how to reassemble an ice shaver. So we have a little template tool that helps us gauge how deep it is, and we're just gonna do a quick little time lapse so you can see us working on these. We get these fairly frequently. We've got a customer that owns a couple ice shaving like snow cone stores, and he brings these in regularly. So we're gonna get to it and let you see what this looks like.